Oz, you're so funny. Wow.
Get it.
Get it.
No, you can't have mine.
Rawr.
Get it.
Why is he always scared of hot things?
I don't know. Probably because I just got out the fryer.
Wow. Give him another. No.